How can you update your pickup location in the Lyft app? Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to update your pickup location in the Lyft app. To update your pickup location in the Lyft app, you could follow the simple steps. So for that, what you have to do is open up your Lyft application and click on the destination or start your destination. When you actually do ahead and go ahead and type in your information or your address, then you need to go ahead and click on the select standard or set on the map. So basically what you can do is tap your pin or an address, then move it within 1 block radius. The driver will be notified of the changes. This is only going to be applicable when you've actually booked it. So this way you'll be able to change your address or update your pickup location. Likewise, you could also manually type in the address box. So this way you'll be able to do it. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.